Welcome guys once again back to my channel. This is Abhishek from ZOLO, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this setup on your Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So these are the list of the apps that you need to download, starting with LAUCHER, KWGT Pro, Outline for KWGT, and Dark Matter Icon Pack. As usual, the link for all these apps would be down in the description. So now that you have done that, go to your home screen and drag all the important apps that you want on your home screen. And after that, go to widgets and scroll all the way to KWGT and select a widget. Tap on the widget and resize it. After resizing the widget, drag it to the left corner and tap on the widget and tap on Outline for KWGT and scroll all the way to widget number 153. Now tap on that widget and follow the instructions as you see on the screen. Now after you have done that, go back and drag the widget toward this side. Now go to Nova settings and tap look and feel, icon style, icon theme, and then select dark matter. Now go to gallery and set the wallpaper which you have downloaded from the description below. After a bit of resizing of the widget, your home screen setup is basically completed. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. With that being said, this is Abhishek from ZOLO, and I'm signing off.